welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. And my glasses are reflecting the light. And I am so sorry, I look like a hot mess, but you know what? This is real life, this is me. I just got off work and I just got home. And our apartment is a disaster. So we are doing a clean with me video, yay! Because then my apartment's gonna be nice and clean and we're happy when everything's clean. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the cleaning.
Alright guys, we are starting out in the living room, which thankfully was not too bad. We actually had Clay's sister over last night, so we kind of picked up a little bit for her. So I'm just popping the cushions back in their place, and then of course going in and picking up any Charlie bits that are on the ground from all of his toys. Next is our media stand. I'm just giving this a quick wipe down with some multi-purpose cleaner. You guys can always find my favorite cleaning products linked down below as well. Living room is all done, so now it's time to move on into the kitchen. The island tends to collect a lot of junk, as you guys know if you've seen any of my cleaning videos. So of course I want to go through and just pick everything up, put it back where it belongs, and get this space cleared off. Moving over to the other side of our kitchen, of course this area just needs to be picked up and put things away as well, and also going over each of these different surfaces with the multi-purpose cleaner as well, just because there tends to get a lot of stuck on food, dirt, and grime when it comes to our stovetop in these counter areas right here, since this is where we do most of our food prepping. You guys are gonna laugh so hard at me here in just a minute. I had such a clumsy moment when I was trying to put this blender away. Literally, oh, there it goes. See, dropped it everywhere. Typical Lauren. Also, both of these little towels are from the Target dollar section. I got them, I believe, last year. They're super cute and came in a pack of 2. Moving on to my desk space, you guys, this place was a disaster. I had so much going on over here because this is where I do everything from my crafts to beauty, like getting ready. This is where all of my camera equipment is, like my planners. I mean, you name it, all of my stuff is here. This is my corner of our apartment. And it was a mess because I have been just using different things and not putting them back where they belong, and just collecting different stuff and again not putting them where they belong. This space right now is definitely a tad too small for me, and luckily Clay and I are going to be moving in about 2 months, so I'm really looking forward to having my own room to put all of my different things and finally have an organized system going on.
I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me.
time for our bedroom. We have been neglecting the bed so bad. We tend to wash our sheets and our comforter pretty frequently just because we have a dog with black hair and he tends to shed. Not to mention he does stay in here while we are away at work. So I am just going ahead and putting on our duvet cover. It's just a white one. I believe it's actually from Amazon. So I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested, along with our bed skirt. They're both a gift from my mom. And so I'm just putting this on the bed, making the bed, even though we're literally going to get into it in a couple hours. But honestly, it makes the apartment and home just feel a lot more clean and happy and refreshed. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, making the bed makes me feel so good and so put together.
Around me, I will give my love to you. But when I see you, when I get there, I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you. But when I see you, when I get there.
Moving on to the top of our dresser, it just had a couple little odds and ends that I wanted to remove. And our giant laundry pile. I know this is actually like a pretty high pile, but I'm avoiding it for right now. So this is real life for you. I'm just stacking it all up in the corner where it belongs. And lastly, we are cleaning up the bathroom area. This just needed a quick tidying up, putting things back where they belong, putting stuff back underneath the cabinet where it goes, charging both of our Apple Watches, hanging up some jewelry, and definitely cleaning out the sink and the actual sink spigots because they were so dirty, you guys.
Strangers in the night, don't tell me it's over.
I'm also just using our multi-purpose cleaner again for all these surfaces. I love this cleaner and honestly use it everywhere in our apartment.
When I see you, when I get there, I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but when I see you, when I get there.
And last and finally, I'm just putting away this towel properly, folding it so it looks a lot nicer, and shutting our shower curtain so our bathroom looks complete and finished. And then we are all done with our cleanup, guys.
Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed following me along on just a little clean with me. Our apartment was a tiny bit on the messy side, so of course had to give it just a little spruce up, pick things up, clean off the surfaces, you know, all that good stuff that kind of just refreshes your space and make you feel a ton better when it's all finally taken care of. And it's just really great #adulting. So I'm feeling good. I'm excited that my space is clean, but now I am so hungry, so I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And P.S. guys, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos, so if you need some more inspiration and you want to watch some more of mine, I will have the playlist linked down below, up here in the corner of this video and at the end of it as well, so you guys can go and check it out. And without further ado guys, that's gonna bring us to the end. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!